In honor of celebrating Mental Health Week, we wanted to take out some youth that have been struggling with mental health throughout the pandemic, the seasonal closures, the lockdowns, and so we brought them here to Ticat Stadium. And they're getting to meet the players, tour the stadium, connect with friends they haven't seen in weeks, months, for some years, and they're just getting to connect with people.
I'm out here today with the Liberty for Youth program, and we're showing some of the kids our facility. We got a beautiful day in the Hammer, and we're just taking it all in, having a good time. To me, it's important for kids in the city and even the surrounding area to get outside and enjoy what we have here at Tim Hortons Field. I mean, this is the best facility in the CFL.
This is a very important event just because, like, growing up, I know that, like, whatever you could see, you could believe, you know what I mean?
It gives you a nice experience to know, like, some people out there that are like me are doing big things and are helping around with youth. He kind of like inspired me with the talk we had earlier. I think like I'm gonna try a little bit harder to like get where I want to be.
What Frederick is doing with Liberty for Youth, going around the city and going out there and actually taking action, I think it's important because the kids can actually see somebody physically doing something. They can see somebody taking action, not just talking. I think that's the most important, and he came up with a creative idea to, like I said, run 21K every day, and I think that's amazing. There's a kid over there that he just switched schools, and he's like, you know, I don't have too many friends, I just changed schools. You know, you don't know how things like that can impact his mental health and his growth process. That's one of the biggest things, is identity and trying to find yourself in this world, especially in a world that so many things are changing.
I think the biggest thing about mental health and what's the most important thing is actually talking about it. For a long time, even when I was a kid, I can remember, you know, don't cry, don't be a girl or whatever about things, and that's not really the right thing to say.
It's always like, be tough, get to the next play, be tough, get to the next event, be tough, you know what I mean? And I feel like just talking about things and navigating through situations is a lot better for your mental health in general.
They're not in so much control of their life, but they need direction, they need positive influences. It's important for people like myself and Simone and Dane Evans and so many other athletes and just regular people in the world to help the youth and guide the youth and be positive influences and positive light. So that's why it's important to me.
I think the more that we can talk about it and bring light to issues that everybody goes through, and especially the last couple of years with COVID, everybody's gone through something, right? I mean, everybody has. It doesn't matter where you live, where you're from, what your background is. So I think that if we can use our platform as athletes, and especially in the city of Hamilton where everybody, you know, is looking to us, I think we can just start turning over rocks and peeling back layers and helping people get on the right path.